Hey, welcome to another episode of Kids Make.
Kira. Hi, I'm Kira. I make cookies with bunny butts.
Hey, remember, don't follow the directions on the back of the box. The directions you need to follow are these. Add 2 eggs. Then pour in your cake mix. After that, you're going to add 1/3 cup of oil. Stir up everything, and you might need a bigger bowl if everything's starting to fall out. So put everything in a big bowl and stir it up the best you can. Don't be afraid to just put your hands in there if you really want to get it nice and blended. When you're happy with your dough, just rinse your hands off and try to keep your fingers wet, because when you reach into that bowl to grab the dough with wet fingers, it comes off a lot easier and it rolls a lot more smoothly. If your fingers are dry and you try to roll the ball of dough, it's going to stick to your fingers and your hands. Next, take a small piece of dough and roll it into a little oval and then press it down a bit. These little pieces will be the bunny feet that you decorate with candy. Looks like our shy chef Candace needs a hug from Grandma. Okay, so next, empty your candy into the little bowl. These are the candies that you're going to decorate your little feet with. We put just a couple drops of food coloring in our icing, and you can put any color that you'd like. One thing that I was taught to do is when you take the spatula and you lift your hot cookies off the sheet pan, immediately flip them over. And that's how you're supposed to let them cool. By now you should have 1 big round bunny butt cookie and 2 small bunny feet cookies. Have your marshmallows and your candies ready so that after you ice your cookie, you can decorate your cookie to look like the bottom of a bunny as it's running away from you. Make sure that your icing is nice and thick so that your cookies will stick to each other and so that the candies will stick to the icing on your cookies. Then you can put your cookies together and let them dry, and voila, you have a cute little bunny butt when the bunny's running away from you.